Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the most important topic in Java, that is called as a multi-threading. Let's see what is a multi-threading in Java. It is a process of executing multiple threads at a simultaneously. Let's Thread is a lightweight. It is subclass and it is a small unit of a processing. In multi-threading and multiprocessing, both are the same. Both are the used to achieve the multitasking in Java. But multi-threading we use in Java as compared to the multiprocessing. Because a thread is a share the it is a share the memory area. It does not allocate a separate memory area in a memory. That is called as a thread. And let's and Java in Java multitasking, Java multi-threading we use in the gaming systems, animations, etc. Let's see what are the advantages of multi-threading. So first is it does not block the user, because the thread is independent, and it is allows to you perform the actions, or perform the many tasks in a simultaneously. Second is it can perform you can perform the multiple actions or operations simultaneously, and it is just saves the time. Third is the Java is the thread is independent. Thread is independent. It does not affect the other threads. If an exception is occur in one thread, that are the advantages of a multi-threading. So let's see what is a multitasking in Java. Multitasking, it is a process of executing the multiple methods or threads at the same time or simultaneously in Java. There are the two ways to perform the multitasking in Java. First is the process-based multitasking. Second is the thread-based multitasking. Let's see process-based multitasking. In process-based multitasking, each memory, each address, each process has a address in a memory. It means it is required to allocate a separate memory area for process base. That's why process base is heavyweight as compared to the thread based multitasking. And the communication between is very high. Then and it is process, and you can just switching from one process to another process. It is takes the more time, or and loading the registers to the executing perform the operations. Then let's see thread based multitasking. In thread-based multitasking, thread it shares the memory area. It does not allocate a separate memory area in a thread. And the thread is a lightweight process, and thread is also communication between the is a very less. That is the multitasking types. Let's see what is a thread in Java. A thread, it is a lightweight and a subclass, and it is a small unit of a processing. That is a thread. And a thread is a shares the common memory area to all threads. It does not allocate a separate memory area to execute or perform operations. And in thread, it is a context switching between the processes, switching between threads or processes. And one thread one thread can have multiple threads. That is the thread in Java. So one more point is the thread class. Java provides the thread class. It is used to create or perform the many actions or operations in a thread class. Let's see Java methods or thread methods in Java. First is a start method. It is used to start the execution of a program. Then second is a run method. It is used to action and perform the operations or object. And the third is a sleep method. It is used to sleep current thread and perform the and second third is a sleep method. It is used to sleep the thread for some time for temporary. Then fourth is a join method. It is used to the current thread is die. Then this method will be executed. Then fifth is the get priority. It is used to the returns the priority of the thread. Then set priority. It is used to set or change the priority of the thread. Then get name. It returns the name of a thread. And then set name. It is used to change the name of a thread. Then yield method. It is used to the it is used to current thread to pause for some time, and it is allows to you to perform the it is allows to other threads to perform operations and tasks. That are the methods we use in the thread. That's all about multi-threading. Thank you.